Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Let's make up some more denim char cloth. I can always use more. And I have so many tulip poplar scraps I want to get rid of and bark in that bucket. There's some of the uprights that I'll use in my stove. I've already got some tulip pop inner bark stripped out. And there's the denim and some punkwood that'll go on the bottom of that cranberry sauce can, and the flint and the steel. I might have to mute a lot of this video because there's a persistent leaf blower across the street. So we'll see. Maybe I can pipe in a little bit of music. I hope I have enough fuel wood in there to do the job. But I want to get rid of all these scrap pieces, so let's get on with it. Sometimes the inner bark doesn't come, separate from the outer bark as well. So a lot of times you just get these real short pieces. And that's pretty much what this bark has been like. Not really great. So we'll put this on the pile. And this on the pile, and just do the best you can with processing this up. That's some good stuff. Let's flint and steel ignite some charred denim. I got about 1/16 of an inch behind that sharp edge. Let's use some of this charred punkwood we made just the other day. Right. And our pocket knife all sharpened back up that we opened that cranberry sauce can with. That's 2-inch square pieces. That is 11 pieces of denim. And I like to put some punkwood on the bottom of my char tin as a buffer to keep this from touching the red hot metal of the can, which is what I think makes some of your char cloth hard. When the smoke and the flames stop coming out from around the edge of that lid, you'll want to cap this off, because you don't want oxygen getting back down in there. So you can put a piece of wood on top of it, or I turn it upside down on the table. And when that cools off, I'm gonna get you out in the sun and we'll take a good close look at the char that we produce. Char cloth and charred punkwood. Soft, supple, exactly the way it's supposed to be. And we've got more really good punkwood. Good char cloth is soft, supple, with no smoke residue on it. And this has a little bit of smoke residue, but not enough to make a difference. And we'll tear it across the bias, which will expose all of these threads. And they will catch that spark off the flint and steel. Let me prove it to you. And that's a piece of chert right there. Let's give it a try. Whenever you see the smoke streaming off it that fast, it's about to go to flames. One more just little wave in the wind, or just one more little breath, will make that go right to flames. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.